Let's see if they got them here. They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh. Let's go get them. What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back with another pickup. And of course, I got my special guest, well, she's a co-host now, Miss Anila with me. And today we are starting off the brand new season with a pair of basketball shoes. Not just any pair of basketball shoes. We're starting off with the AE1s. And these, of course, are the Anthony Edwards. And on the other side of the box, let you know, made in Georgia in 2001. That's, of course, his date of birth. And of course, as always, don't follow the wave, baby. These, of course, are 120, and these were somewhat hard to get. I mean, online they've been selling out. They had a restock, I think, last week, like the first week of January, but these are still selling out pretty well. At this moment, they're not available on Adidas. I had to drive through 2 Foot Lockers to finally secure a pair, so. Alright, so let's see what Adidas and Anthony Edwards has cooked up for us to date. So first glance, first thing you notice about these this unboxing is these pair of laces. I call that acid red, and it's supposed to match the back part of the shoe right here. They're gonna call this acid red. I don't agree with it, but I'll go with it. I kind of feel like a coral peach would be a lot more fitting, but it is what it is. So of course, they call this the acid red, and this colorway right here, they're gonna call this the acid orange. This, of course, is the black, and this little part right here that feels like corduroy pants does not have a name, but it has a distinctive feel to it, so it's okay. It's okay. Get a little vacuum, get this little excess off. But this, of course, is the black again, and this is the acid orange, and then the acid red, and the carbon fiber. Nice little touch right there. So this, of course, is a lightweight performance basketball sneaker. It does have Boost built inside of it, as well as the Lightstrike cushioning. How it fits, if you're going to wear these casually, go half a size up. But if you're going to actually ball in these, I would say try them on. But because of how hard these are to get, I would probably say go your true size if you can actually ball in these. All right, so just a quick reiteration of everything we saw. Of course, right here, the acid orange, this honeycomb pattern. I really want you guys to be able to see this. Let me see how. Look at that. That's pretty cool right there. I like that. But what's under that pattern, of course, is going to be the Lightstrike cushioning as well as the Ultra Boost, and you do get a sole insert. It's fairly thin, but I'm not complaining off of it. I mean, so what you do get his face right here, Anthony Edwards. Then you get his branding right here. Now this sole is exactly the same as the other one, except for the colors are flipped. This is going to be the acid red, and this is going to be the acid orange. And then on the inside, let's see if we can focus in on that. That little circle right there, that's the part of the boost that you can touch with your hand, and then the rest of it's just like a nylon covering over that. So these are boost. If you guys were uncertain, you can actually see and feel the boost in there. And just to wrap up, let's see what else we got. So we have a texture upper. This texture upper, the feel of this texture upper is like it's like a book bag, like the bottom of your book bag, like a Jan Sport bag. That's what this feels like. And then right above the lace closure, it's like this nylon. It's like a smooth nylon, probably like the straps of your book bag. That's the best way I can describe that feel. You have the AE branding right here, the carbon fiber back here, 3 stripes. Great set of traction. As you can tell, you can see the boost again right here. So you also can see the Lightstrike cushioning through there. That's what this pink part is right there. It's like a reinforcement of the boost. Great set of traction. And then adidas branding right here, kind of snuck that in there. But what I was about to say, rubber outer sole. Oh, the lace closure right here, just right here, this little particular part right here is why I say if you're gonna wear these casually, go half a size up. It's just a little bit snug to the point where you're gonna need 2 hands. You're gonna be just to slip these on and off. But overall, man, 120. This is a beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. They didn't cut no corners on this one. All right, so I'm not gonna try to use these with no hands. You definitely gonna need 2 hands. I try to put these on off camera with no hands. It just don't do it. Just a waste of time. Definitely need 2 hands. But once these are on and you wear them probably like the second time, really depending on what you do the first time, you'll feel the boost. These are fairly responsive. Good amount of grip. You know, if you had a D up on somebody, you know, definitely can get that with these. And imagine if I was on a basketball court, how much more you would hear. But great set of traction on these shoes, easy to slip off. Definitely worth the 120. Get you a pair if you can.
Perfect.
Jeez, this is a video, boo boo.
1, 2, 3.
I think we're good. All right, let's get it going.
1, 2, 3.
You ready to shoot? All right. Getting our spots. Oh yeah, this gonna be a good one.